What's up, guys? Previously, BOSLLA reached out to me to review their super unique color changing LED light. These were headlights that actually switch color anywhere from white to warm yellow to a flashing yellow design, and I'm gonna overlay the video that I had when I installed these on my vehicle. I really liked this light. It offered a lot of flexibility and versatility to your car's look. And right now, BOSLLA just reached out to me and sent me their new LED light. This one is not color changing, however, it is much more superior in lighting output and energy efficiency. So let's unbox it and take a look at what we got. As always, guys, instruction manual, how to install the lights, proper positioning and whatnot, the specifications. And here we have the lights, nicely packaged. And with the lights, it comes with a ballast separated from the actual LED lights. As you can see, guys, the bulbs are a little bit bulky here. Just to supply it all with that power. It's 50 watts each and 6,000 lumens per bulb. The design is pretty good. It includes a nice fan. You can also see the copper wire that helps with heat. 3 LED bulbs design right over here, and then you move on to the ballast right over here. You got 2 ballasts. Pretty hefty size, I'd say, compared to some other ones I've seen, but with the bigger output, 300% better output and efficiency, these are a must. The lines are braided, both the light and the ballast. Altogether, you're getting a quality product here at an affordable price. These also do have a chip inside them, the CAN bus, and it eliminates pretty much 99.9% of codes that your vehicle may see when installing LED lights on the application, so you wouldn't have to worry about it. Just plug and play and you're ready to go. Alright, these are the current headlights, the switchback ones that I told you guys about. These are the ones with the color changing LED. You see, cool little BOSLLA design in the back. Very similar construction. Clearly we see the ballast difference between the two and the difference in LED lights here. Pretty much I'd say very similar in size, a little bulkier here, obviously explaining the extra watts and visibility. So let's go throw this on and see how it looks. And there you have it. Fan is working. Actually, this fan, I'll tell you right now, is much quieter than the previous generation, and just pure bright light, just the way we like it. So we're gonna install these, run them for a little bit, see how they do. But overall, very simple install. Everything works as it is designed, and I can't wait to put down the extra lumens on the road.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own.